Hi. I actually wanted to do an unboxing video for the first time, but I screwed up just now. I already cut the seal and I realized when I opened the box there's some confidential information there, and I don't know how to block the information. I'm not skillful in video editing, so I thought I would just do another video. So please pretend that this is sealed and we are doing an unboxing video all the way from the beginning. Very weird, but it's fun too. So okay, so just pretend that this is the first time we see this one, and I'm opening this now. Okay, so just pretend that this is open, and then okay, before that, so why am I receiving this lovely gift? Well, let me just explain briefly what this is. I received this today. It's a lovely gift from Complementary Medical Association, or known as CMA. It's a lovely gift all the way from UK. Complementary Medical Association is sending out this lovely gift, wonderful gift, to all their practitioners. They are full members in UK and also in other countries. So I finally got mine today and I'm very excited. So I thought I'll just do an unboxing video for the first time, but I screw up, but it's okay. It's okay. So let's pretend I opened this the first time, and ta-da! What do you have inside? Okay. And again, I forgot to mention something. I'm too excited. So why am I receiving this? I'm a musician, right? So I have a music channel, and this is a video in my music channel. So why am I receiving this? Because yes, I'm a musician, I'm a music educator, but besides that, I'm also a qualified and certified sound therapist and holistic healer in chakra and aura healing. So I am actually CMA, Complementary Medical Association sound therapy practitioner and also holistic healer. So that's the reason why I am receiving this lovely gift from them. So we can open the box now. Ta-da! Okay, so I have this lovely keychain. It says CMA, and at the back there's a word Complementary Medical Association. I'm not sure. Am I pointing the right angle? It's upside down. Okay. Okay, and then I have this one. So what is this? Okay. In our CMA members, our practitioners Facebook, I've heard other members mentioning this. It is actually a lovely brooch or badge for practitioners to wear on their clothes during their work or healing session. If you want to wear it, if not, it's fine. So it is actually a magnet. Okay, so actually you can wear it on the clothes. So say this is outside facing out and this is inside, and then you can just wear it and it stick together. So yeah, because the traditional one is the one with the pin where we actually pin on our clothes, it will spoil our clothes. So now this magnet is much better. Okay, so I have this also. Okay, and I have this lovely notepad which says CMA, and there's a watermark, a very beautiful watermark. I'm not sure what I'm going to use this for, because when I do my healing work with client or people who need my help in healing, in balancing their energy, etc., I mostly uses tuning fork and Tibetan singing bowl, and also voice for vocal toning purpose. So I don't really need to prescribe anything, so I don't need this, but it's a lovely gift. And then there's the address of the CMA at the bottom of the notepad. This is nice. so I'm not sure what I'm going to use, but definitely I'm going to use this for something else. And there is also a lovely brochure, which from CMA, which explain what are the I'm not showing right. Okay, the benefit, our membership, blah 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 blah. I don't know. Okay, this is just to explain their new concept and things like that. This is a lovely brochure. So that's all I have for today, and it's a wonderful gift all the way from CMA. It's actually a surprise, mysterious gift for all the practitioners. So it actually cheers us up during this period. Yes. So thank you very much for watching, and thank you for pretending that this is the first time opening this box. Thank you. Bye bye.